So Don, excellent choice for the BendPak HD-27X, £27,000 lift here for all your prime mover units. So how's the boys feel about this new beast in your workshop?
Oh, this is a bit exciting for us, isn't it? Like, it's a new toy for us. It's going to be so much different factors, safety, how easy it's going to make the job. Like, as I explained to you just before, lifting the hoist up, get the tray underneath, and pulling out gearbox and diffs and that. It's a no-brainer. It's a win-win situation. So
it is. It's a different world from working in a pit, isn't it? Because all of a sudden now you're lifting the truck, the prime moving up in the air. You're gonna have a toolbox around it. You're not going back and forth. I forgot that spanner. Now I got to go back up. It's all there on the side for you. So you got efficiency, and like I said, the safety. I mean, you can lift the truck up to the actual height you need it. And when it sits on those metal locks, it's a positive locking engagement. So
and the system's so easy to use.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And then with the added accessories like the bridge stack, where we can lift the axles up, so not only can we get the truck up in the air, but all of a sudden now we can lift the axles up, getting the wheels off, working on the brakes at any level of any height we want to work on. And like you said, the gearbox and diff work, getting that table underneath it, being able to slide that equipment away from the truck to be able to work on your benches.
Definitely. And BendPak and yourself, Genesis, I can't recommend these any more than I can, because the service, I ring, I demand, that's what I do, unfortunately, but you come out, you show me what the product is, you explain it. What can I say? BendPak, thank you so much. And Genesis for your services. I can't thank you anymore, I really can't. It's so exciting for us.